If you're always broke at the end of the month, it's not your income. It's your system, a system designed for clarity and success. Welcome to Wise Money Lab, where we make money simple. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you the only budgeting method you'll ever need, the 50-30-20 rule. First, 50% goes to your needs. These are things you cannot live without. The foundation of your financial security starts here. Rent, food, bills, transportation, the basic essentials of life. These are your non-negotiables, the foundation of your financial life. Priority 1, always. Next, 30% goes to your wants. Yes, you're allowed to enjoy your money. Spending money on things that bring you joy is part of the system. Eating out, shopping, Netflix, vacations. These are the things that make life enjoyable. It's about intentional spending, not deprivation. You control where it goes and how it serves your lifestyle. Balance is key. And finally, the most important part, 20% goes to your future. This is the seed for your financial freedom. Wait, most people get this completely wrong. They miss the fundamental shift in mindset. Let's make it real. If you earn $2,000 a month, $1,000 goes to needs. That's half your income. $600 to wants and $400 to savings. Simple math, powerful results for your future. Here's why most people fail. They spend too much on wants. They ignore savings, and they never track their money. Knowledge is the first step to control. You can't fix what you don't see. Here's how to fix it. Track your income, split your expenses, adjust where needed, and automate your savings. Set it and forget it. This isn't just about money, it's about control, peace of mind, and real financial freedom. This is the goal we're working toward. True independence starts with that 20%. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to Wise Money Lab, and join our community of smart savers. And comment your biggest money struggle below. We're in this together. Let's start the conversation. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how you use it. Start building your system today.